Hello, this is Wendell with Presidential Heating and Air Conditioning out of Gaithersburg, Maryland. We've had several customers ask us about doing virtual estimates. So we put this video together with some of the requirements that we would ask you to get so you can do that. One, on this, as you can see, this is a heat pump air handler. We would need the dimensions. You could tell us length, height, and width. You take your tape measure and lay it down and possibly gather. You can take a picture of the sizes. That'll help us. You know, show us the drain lines. These are refrigerant lines. The ductwork connection. If you could get a picture of the tag right here, that tells us the voltage of the unit, what the size of the unit is. The more information you can gather for us, the better precise proposal we can put together for you. This is a service disconnect. What size fuses are in there would help us if you could. Small things like this is really going to help us give you a precise proposal. So let's go outside now. One of the other requirements that we'd ask you to get is possibly the breaker size for your unit. Look on your sheet, find out which breaker. It should be a big 2-pole breaker like this. And if you look at the end, it's typically marked right on the end. 30 amp, 40 amp, 50 amp, whatsoever. That'll help us. We are here at the outside unit. If you could take as many pictures as possible all the way around the unit to let us know what kind of clearances we have. We need to have clearance all the way around, kind of like this unit here. We also need the tag. If you could get us the tag, that'd be great. This is the disconnect here. We'll change that out. We will give you a new pad. So if you could measure the pad, that'd be great too. The more information and the more pictures you get for us, the better it's going to be. So with that, hopefully you can get all the information gathered and get it to us, and we can give you a precise quote. Thank you for your time.